Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be reviewing the new flawless brows. I am Skin So Beautiful and I like to try out skincare tips, tricks, homemade products, DIY and skincare products. If you like this kind of content or you like to try out this kind of product on your skin, hit the subscription button below and turn the notification button so you get up to date whenever I upload new videos here on YouTube. It is an 18 karat gold plated brow shaper. Very easy to use. So we're gonna be using it. I know you might be wondering, why does she have eyebrows on and she's about to review these? Don't worry guys, I'm gonna clean it out here on camera. And my eyebrows are not really defined. I left it on purple so I can use this and show you guys how it works. It has a gold plated head. You can see, very fancy looking. You can actually use a battery with it and the battery really lasts a long time. And you can see the gold plated head around it. Very easy, simple. It can go in your handbags, travel friendly. You can use it whenever, wherever, and it's a great alternative for threading. It does not in any way replace your usual traditional threading, and it doesn't remove the facial hair from the root. I have never attempted threading in my whole life. I'm really scared of threading. I really prefer shaving my brows to threading because your girl don't know how to tolerate pains. I am not new to using this in any way. I have used it in the past. Truthfully, I've had this for over a year, but I started seeing it recently on Facebook a lot. So I decided to do a review on how I use it and how it works here on YouTube. It saves a lot of time, saves a lot of effort. You can use it whenever and wherever. It's recommended for every skin type. This is a makeup remover. Yeah. I like to comb and brush my eyebrow before I shape them in order to give it a more defined look. This is my cup. So what do you guys think about my eyebrow? It's not perfect because no eyebrow is exactly the same. I wish you can really see how clean this looks on me. And guess what? This is gonna last me for 2 weeks. So in the next 2 weeks, I don't need to shape my eyebrow. It's something you should consider purchasing if you don't really like threading or you want to economize and save some coin. It's worth every penny. It is less than $30. Like and comment on this video if you find it very helpful, and don't forget to hit the subscription button below and turn your notification button so you get notified whenever I upload new videos here on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching and stay beautiful. This guy